Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable ModSecurity audit logs on a WAF-enabled VPS. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Log into your VPS using SSH. Enter your username and password to access the command line. Locate your ModSecurity configuration file. Typically, this file is found at /etc/modsecurity/modsecurity.conf. Open the configuration file with a text editor such as Nano or Vim. For instance, you can type nano/etc/modsecurity/modsecurity.conf to open it in Nano. Scroll down to find the line that reads SEC Audit Engine. This line controls the audit logging feature. To disable the audit logs, change SEC Audit Engine on to SEC Audit Engine off. Next, locate the line that starts with SEC Audit Log. Comment this line out by adding a hashtag at the beginning. This will stop the system from logging any further audit entries. Save the changes to your configuration file. If you are using Nano, press Ctrl+X, then Y, and hit Enter. Restart your web server to apply the changes. Depending on your setup, you might use commands like system-restart Apache 2 or system-restart Nginx. Verify that the changes have taken effect by checking the ModSecurity status. You can do this by running a test command or checking the log directory. Your ModSecurity audit log should no longer be generated. That's it, you've successfully disabled ModSecurity audit logs on your WAF-enabled VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.